Okay, Carter, we're ready for spelling. So the first word I want you to spell is plane.
Plane. Aim.
Okay, now that is one way to spell. Don't fix it yet. That's one way to spell the A sound, and that's a logical choice. But write out your choices for spelling A there.
A comma A I comma.
Okay, I think. Okay, go ahead and finish.
Comma A consonant E, comma A Y.
All right.
S is A I.
Yes, but let's look. You have all the ways to spell the A sound, but
Not in the correct order.
You don't have the correct order. Let me show you the correct order.
It's A comma A consonant E comma A I comma A Y.
Very good. Now we know it's not A consonant E because that's the original. That's the way you wrote the word originally. So let's cross that out.
I know it's not A Y. I know it's not A Y.
And why couldn't it be A Y? Where does A Y come in a word?
End.
And this sound is in the middle. And that's our best bet for the middle. All right, let's rewrite that word.
A.
Good job. And cross that out for me. Excellent. Mounted. He mounted the horse.
Mounted.
What's your base word? Tap out your syllables. Tap out your syllables.
Mounted.
Say the word.
Mounted.
Now spell the base word.
Out. Mount.
Listen again.
Out.
Listen to the word. Mount.
Ount. Ount.
Right. And what's your suffix?
In.
Mounted.
Mounted.
And what?
Id.
And how do we spell
ID.
id? Do we spell it ID?
Ed.
Very good. All right. And what does that word say?
Mounted.
Very good. All right. Your next word? Chimes.
Chimes. Chimes.
Good.
Chimes.
All right. Read what you wrote.
Chims.
Chims. Yes. All right. What do you need at the end to make that say chimes?
No,
let's hear your sound.
Each. Chimes. Chimes.
Okay. Write out your ways to spell the Z sound.
Z, comma, S, comma, Z, Z.
And S,
and
E.
Z.
Okay. What does your base word say?
Chimes. Chime.
Chime. Go back to your fingers.
Chime. That's the only way how you can spell chime.
Well, but this word, if we take off the
And then
suffix,
you have to add a Z, so.
Okay, well, if we take off the suffix, what word do we have left?
Chime.
Does that say chime?
Yeah. No.
Sound it out. First sound.
C-H-I-M-E.
I want you, yes. So let's turn your page and write chime. There you go. And that is your suffix S, because that means more than one chime. Right. Good job. Next word, quaint.
Quaint.
Let's hear it. Go back to your finger. First sound. Qua.
Quaint. Quaint. Quaint.
All right. Now, would you read this to me and tell me what you spelled? Read this word.
Quaint.
Okay. When we have you spelled it with an A, consonant, E. Do we have one consonant in between these two vowels when we make A, consonant, E? Or do we have two?
One.
One. So we have two consonants there. So can we use A, consonant, E for the spelling of this word? No. All right, write out your choices for spelling A.
A, consonant, E. No.
Right, A consonant E, because that's one of your choices.
A, A, consonant E, A, comma, AY.
Right. Now we know it's not A consonant E, and we know it can't be quaint. What does the word end in?
Quaint. It has to be
So where do you hear the sound of A in that word?
AI.
Where do you hear it in the word, Carter?
In the beginning.
Quaint. Let's go.
Beginning middle.
Yes. So
So it
what
has to
do we
be
use
AI.
to spell in the middle? Very good. All right. Make your mouth go.
Quaint.
Good. All right. One more word. Trout.
Trout. Out.
Let me hear the ending sound.
Trout.
Okay, go back to your fingers because I didn't hear all the sounds.
Out.
Very good.
Out.
Good job. Now, here's your first sentence. Ready? Repeat the sentence after me. Did you go through the test first?
Did you go through the test first?
All right.
Did you go through the test? First, period. Satisfied.
You're satisfied?
Yes.
Okay, you looked it over carefully?
Yes.
All right. I have one challenge, and everything is spelled
What's
perfectly.
the quotation mark?
Is it a quotation mark?
Question.
Very good. It's a question mark. Excellent. You spelled every single word right, and you caught your error. Very nice job. All right, here's your next one. The bag of soil is by the shack.
The bag of soil is by the shack.
Find a clean line.
The bag of soil is by the bag of soil is by the shack. Oh. No E.
All right.
Period. A bag of soil is made by the shack. Satisfied. I just checked
You
it.
satisfied?
Yes.
All right. The bag of soil is by the shack. And you were right. You caught your mistake before you showed it to me. We wouldn't have an E if we have a short
Shake.
vowel. It would say shake. When do we use CK to spell the sound, Carter?
After a short vowel.
Right, and this was a short vowel. And I like the way you said because you were trying to remember about short vowels and CK. Very nice job.